Winter fishing on the east coast of Scotland normally looks like this. Standing in the cold, waiting for that cod to come and give your line a big pull. However, today there's been some settled weather, we've got a high pressure system, so I'm going to get out on the kayak and go and see what we can find in the bay around Dunbar. I hope you enjoy. No, it may be grey, but it looks pretty nice today. Woo! Oh shit, my leg underneath it. What am I doing? Jesus. Right. Ready to that one? Let's go! Oh, I got that bit. How was not right as well. There's definitely something on the bottom here, but it's taking the line at this point. I'm just going to leave this out, I think they're high enough that they should be. Oh, there is some. Oh, that's my lure. That's my rig on the sound at 5 meters. We're down another couple of meters. So that's it saying it's 7 meters-ish. Just leave them out, they're just some feathers. You never know, they might pick up. And we'll go with the slow jig again. Oh Jesus Christ! Hey buddy! How you doing? Yeah? There's no fishies here for you. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, you made me jump. Hey buddy. Please don't try and get on my kayak. I see ya. I don't see any fish though. Back up from there a wee bit. Oh, he made me jump. There's marks on the sand, it was probably him. Let's get this up, I don't want to snag a seal while these lines are out. Oh, that made me jump. Tell you what, the viz is pretty good. I could see him pretty far under the water. Maybe you can still see him on the GoPro. Oh, buddy. Well, I hope I got that. I'm sure I will have. They pop up next to me now. Hello. To you too. Kid you not. He's quite small actually, or she. I don't know how you tell the sex of a seal. It's not a Mahusive grey seal, that's the key. It's a little harbour seal, I think. I wish I had actually, I wonder if I can. Let's just see if I can. Do not drop the GoPro, Alex. still recording. Let's hope I got that. Can you pop up behind me?
Yeah, thank you.
Goodbye, I'm going now. I'd like to go catch some fish.
Some fishing marks here. I thought I'd just have a wee drop. I'm still being chased by my friend Cecilia. Now what I think I'm seeing is just my lures.
Mayday relay. Mayday relay. Mayday relay. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Aberdeen Coast Guard, Aberdeen Coast Guard, Aberdeen Coast Guard. Man overboard from Creel vessel at Billowness. Information number 1. Following received from a Creel vessel at Billowness near Anstruther.
I got that.
By telephone at 0942 UTC.
So Mayday's just gone out over the channel for a man overboard. Nothing I can do because it's in Anstruther, which is the other side of the other side of the sea from where I am. It's over there in the fog. Yeah, it's quite chilling, really, to hear that. Let's hope he's all right. We'll see if we get an update throughout the fishing session.
Vessel responding to Mayday. What is your vessel name? Roger, could you approach the light blue vessel and see if anyone's on board? Still moving about, he's on board, and then there's ourselves. It's going to be a light blue with orange roof. Over.
Ah, looks like it's maybe a false alarm, hopefully.
Roger, but there's no pale blue Creel vessels around. Over.
How we hit there?
Roger received. If you just stand by.
Looks like it might be positive. Mayday.
This is Aberdeen Coast Guard. 1025. Man overboard at Man overboard. In error.
Error.
Alright, feel that up. Westing bills. Sea logs.
Stand down. Stand down. How much rain's on that lens? Quite a bit. Paddle in the direction of the drift. I'm just a bit stupid, I need to paddle back that way. No, I've snagged. No! 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 This is actually a snag this time. I'm gonna bring my rod. That's a defensive hit.
stations, this is Aberdeen Coast Guard for the Maritime Safety Information Broadcast. Stand by channel 6363 Coast Guard.
Yes, got it. Woo! Do not want to break that rod tip by grabbing it. That would be very stupid.
All stations, this is Aberdeen Coast Guard.
With me today, my favourite rod, the Penn Conflict jigging, because I like jigging rods, and it's affordable, and it's paired with a really nice Daiwa reel, just a bait caster. It's not super expensive. To be honest, the drag's probably set slightly wrong on it. Let's just, yeah, that was okay. And it gives you really nice sensitivity on the bottom of the jig. Oh, just gotta watch for tip wraps. I haven't used this on the kayak before, just because I'm aware that the kayak is a little more, you know, prone to accidents and things, so I don't tend to use it on the kayak. I've got it paired with a H2O slow jig, 60 gram, that's the wrong direction. Let's see if I can slow that down a bit. There we go. Too slow, there we go. 80 gram slow jig. And I've always caught, when I've used one of these jigs, it's been small sometimes, but I've always caught something. I think maybe one or two blanks with them, but often, I think I have pretty much always caught with them, so they're a good lure. Just tip wrap again. I have to say, I haven't used this rod on the kayak, and I think it's going to be more prone to tip wraps on the kayak, just to the nature of sitting down. Check this down for a second or two. See, I might need to change this over. A bit brighter. And I went over a wee pocket. I just thought maybe there'd be some fish in it, but oh yes, fish on. Yep. Oh no! Pulled the hooks. Ah. Oh. It wasn't hooked very well, and I couldn't get it up. Oh man, that was rubbish. That was all my fault, really. I thought it was snagged, and I stopped turning the GoPro on. Bad. I lost the lure. Is that the problem? Just didn't hook it properly. That was a decent fish as well. I don't know, I think I do need to jump back over this pocket. I need to put that back into it. Definitely had a fish there though. That was annoying. That was bad fishing technique. Look at that. What is that? Is that a seal? Some sort of big mammal? So it's fish. Obviously not interested in what I have to offer. I was sitting right on top of them. I definitely dropped my lures through them. I wonder what they are. Wish I had my squid jig, because I bet you they're squid. Ah, can't believe I forgot to pick it up. They're all ready to go by the door as well. No idea how much battery my GoPro has, and my GoPro's going to run out, I think. Oh no! My sound is just shut. I definitely had a big school or something on the bottom. My sound is shut off because I somehow opened up my text. I don't know if I'll take this out. I hate opening up my phone on the water. I'm just so clumsy that I'll drop it. Chaotic. So chaotic I'll drop it. That's what I've been told. Chaotic.
pull and drag. Let's release the drag a wee bit. That's it. Now I need to not lose this one. Right, come on. The GoPro's going to run out of battery. Yeah. Good fish. Good fish. Oh. Oh no. I'm trying to get the other rod in. My front GoPro's died. Let's hope this one doesn't. Yeah. It's on a slightly different jig, but in the exact same place. Oh. It's gonna run again, I think. Nope. Oh, it's a decent cod. Right, so the GoPro died just as I caught this. I got it up. This is the one that I lost. This is a really big fish. Right, I need to deal with it. My phone is out of its pouch, so I'm going to have to put it away. But that is a good fish, and I'll get some pictures of it later. I don't think I'm going to be able to. I don't think I'm going to take a pic. I'm going to keep it. I probably am going to keep it. So I'm going to keep this fish, and I'll get some pictures of it once I've dealt with the hooks. So, in case the video didn't work on the kayak, there she is. Oh, he is actually, it was a boy. In all its glory. I don't know whether to do that this way, or whether to go around here. There we go. Decent fish. See if we can get a picture of it. I think I've got some. Yeah, so good fish. Yeah, I think the GoPro died just at the top of the fight, so there we go.